Hello everyone, and welcome to this transitional video between Phase 1 and Phase 2 of the course. From now on, I will shift focus to the final project, where we will put into practice everything we have covered in the previous videos. No further videos on Elasticsearch concepts will be uploaded. As mentioned in the introduction, there won't be additional videos on Elasticsearch concepts or APIs. Instead, I will concentrate on the final project. It is designed to demonstrate how to apply what we have learned to a real-world project with actual data. The final project will involve building a website. We will be using Vue.js in the front end, Fast API in the back end, and the search functionality will be powered by Elasticsearch, and we will be using Python for that. The project's primary focus will be on creating a rich and effective search experience using Elasticsearch. The source code for the final project is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description or click on the image to access it directly. Navigate to the final project folder. Inside, you will find the final code folder, which contains the completed project, and the Getting Started folder includes starter code to begin the project. To get started, open the Getting Started folder in your favorite code editor and follow the videos that are going to come. The final project will be divided into multiple parts, gradually enhancing the search functionality with everything we have learned. I hope you enjoy working on this project. See you in the next video.